I'm real blunt. I'm like to be real.
Oh, okay,
I don't
okay.
like to like lie and shit. So
having
Me
autism
either.
attacks is out in the middle of your conversation.
Are you okay?
I got Tourette's.
That's
You ever been with somebody with like a condition?
That's all good.
Do that turn you off?
Do it again one more time right now. Do it again.
I'm sorry. It come in waves. Like sometimes it happens, but sometimes it don't. So
Oh, it's okay.